Pushrod Fury. So I was driving through Ohio on Route 42 and saw a sign for Indian Mound Park. So of course you've all heard of these things, but I've never seen one in person. So I figured I better stop. You know, if you're getting to my age and you haven't seen one and you drive by one, you sure as heck better check it out. So let's give it a look and see what this is like. See you over there. It's got this nice trail, tons of shade as you can see, and not many people. So kind of ideal. Still haven't kind of let go of timing yet though. I was hoping that I would forget about timing, but you always have to get to somewhere, right? And so I just want to make sure I get to the camp before it's dark. Setting up in the dark's no fun. And get something decent to eat later, but for now I'll enjoy this hike and see what this mound looks like. So you walk the trail for about a half a mile and you come to a clearing and it's got a mound on it, and there's a nice plaque that tells you it's about 2,000 years old and it's made from river mud and rocks. They're not quite sure if they used it just for an observation post, like a lookout, or burial ground, or both. So we don't know. But when you walk around it, I'm at the side or the back. When you walk around it, it kind of loses its, I think, initial or original impression it would have made on someone, because it is decorated with a nice wood staircase to the top, which we can go ahead and walk up, but I think aesthetically that kind of ruins it. I guess if you kept walking up it, you just dig a trench through the thing. So let's take a look at the top here, and if I was smarter I would have taken off the riding pants, because my legs feel like they're in a sauna. at the moment. But apparently there's plenty of these mounds, which I guess I sort of knew. First one I've ever seen, certainly the first one I've ever walked up. Well, geez. I don't know if it makes a good lookout point. I'm imagining there were trees then, 2,000 years ago. My money is on burial ground. Unless they were looking out for the tops of trees. All right, well, the hike back's gonna be boring. So I'll hike back, get on a bike, and cover some more miles. Yes, can I get a hot dog with mustard, ketchup, and cheese? And a small root beer.
For here, yeah.
For here.
$3.51, thank you.
Okay, thanks. Hey, thanks a lot. That's awesome. Thank you.
I didn't bring a tray.
That's okay. I appreciate it. Yeah, I didn't.
It'll be $3.51.
There you go. Thank you.
Get your change for you.
That's all right.
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
Enjoy.
Uh-huh.